Welcome to iMovie tutorial number 5. I want to cover a few more shortcuts just to help you navigate around the interface of iMovie here. I first want to talk about the JKL shortcuts. Okay, if you hold up your right hand, your index finger, your middle finger, and your ring finger, and if you can just hold those three fingers over the J, K, and L key on your keyboard, this works in your media bin as well as in your timeline. L will allow you to play your video forward, K will allow you to stop it, and J will allow you to rewind. So down here in my timeline, I'm at the beginning of the Chicago video. I'm just going to hit L, and you can see that it plays it forward. I'm going to hit K to stop it, and then I'm going to hit J to rewind it, and then K to stop. So the spacebar, we know, will play your video, and if you hit the spacebar again, it will stop your video. Alright, so an easy way to rewind it with your thumb kind of on the keyboard and then your other fingers on JKL to play it forward and play it backward and to stop it. Okay, if I want to fast forward and I want to move more quickly, I can hit L a few more times. K to stop. If I want to rewind quickly, I can hit J a few times. And K to stop it. Now, let's say I want to jump to a clip, or I just want to quickly go through my clips, and I don't want to spend all this time scrolling left and right with my mouse. I can use the up and down arrows on my keyboard. Okay, so if I start all the way over here at the beginning, and I hit my down arrow, I will move to the next clip. And I can keep doing that clip to clip. Anywhere there's a cut or a break in my timeline, I can jump right to that. And I can hit up to go to the top of my timeline or to the beginning. Alright, and this is just a quick way that I can move from clip to clip. Okay, so JK and L, again, will allow you to skim through. And you can kind of move quickly. K to stop. L to play, or to fast forward. Okay, so 2 quick shortcuts from the keyboard to help you out.